Can you see this wood stick? Is it a wood stick or the first letter of Arabic alphabet? Would you like to know the answer? Just follow me. Hello everyone, Saif here and a new video with Arabic with Saif. In the first level, we are going to focus on Arabic alphabet shape, sound, and how to write. Some of these Arabic alphabets are very similar to English letter sound. This will help you to remember the sound of the letters. But before we start, there are few important information for you. Reading and writing Arabic from right to left. Right to left. There are 29 letters in Arabic with no capital or small letters. Most of the letters in Arabic words are joined in handwriting, but some cannot be joined because of their shape, and we will discuss this later. All the letters in Arabic are consonants because vowels are separate marks that go on top or under these letters. Finally, in this level, we will study the isolated form for each letter because each letter has 4 forms. Initial, at the beginning of the word, medial, in the middle of the word, final, at the end of the word, and isolated, the letter by itself. So I will focus on the isolated form in this level, but the other 3 forms will be explained in level 2. Alright, today with the first 4 letters in Arabic alphabet. If you have your notebook and pencil, so you are ready to go. The first letter in Arabic alphabet, we call it Alif. Alif. Alif, which is letter A in English. Okay, how to write it? It's basically a vertical stick. Take out your pencil to practice with me so you can get used to the shape. As you can see, how this stick ends by touching the line. Alif is pronounced exactly in the same way you pronounce letter A in English. So Alif sound as letter A in the word fat or letter A in the word lava. Repeat after me. Alif, Alif, Alif. A. The next 3 letters, they are look-alike. They belong to same family. That's why it will be easy for you to memorize them. Okay, second letter is Ba. Ba. Ba, which is letter B in English, as it's like a boat shape. Let's see first how to write it. Start by drawing its shape exactly on the line, but the dot is below the line. Ba is pronounced exactly in the same way you pronounce letter B in English. So ba sound as letter B in the word below. Remember, the dot is below the letter. Repeat after me. Ba, ba, ba. B. The third letter is Ta. Ta. Ta, which is letter T in English. Let's see how to write it. As you can see, the only difference between Ba and Ta is the position and number of dots, which are 2 dots on top of the letter. Ta is pronounced exactly in the same way you pronounce letter T in English. So Ta sound as letter T in the word two. Remember, 2 dots. Repeat after me. Ta, ta, ta. T. Last letter today and number 4 in Arabic alphabet is letter Thaa. 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 The same TH sound in the English word 3. Let's see how to write it. As you can see, it's similar to letter Ta, but with 3 dots on top written like a triangle shape. Tha is pronounced exactly in the same way you pronounce TH in English. So Tha sound as TH in the word 3. Remember, 3 dots. Repeat after me. Tha, tha, tha. TH, but voiceless TH sound as you don't use the vocal cords while saying it. Anyway, once you practice writing these letters few times, will not be difficult to memorize. And now, let's practice how to read some words. باء ألف تاء باء ألف تاء باء تاء باء تاء بات بات. Another word. تاء ألف باء تاء ألف باء تاء باء تاء باء تاب تاب. Another word. باء ثاء باء ثاء باء ثاء باء ثاء بث بث. Another word. ثاء باء تاء ثاء باء تاء ثاء باء تاء ثاء باء تاء ثبت ثبت. Okay, in the next lesson we will discuss 3 more letters. Always be ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my videos for more. And there is the subscribe button. Perhaps you can see me every day. Alright, get you guys next lesson. Salam.